Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So today we will be unboxing the JLAB Go Air True Wireless Earbuds. So let's get on with it. First up, let's look at some of the stuff this has, like some special things that it might have. So battery life, it says 20 plus hours of playtime, and then goes with smart assistants, Android plus Apple, so like your Google Assistant and stuff on your phone and Siri. And then it says pretty smallest fit ever, dual connect. So what this means is basically when you remove one and put it back in this case, it won't disconnect the other. So there's not only one Bluetooth chipset inside of it, there's two on each. Touch sensors, and then what else? Custom EQ sound, long battery life, smaller design, dual connect. That's about it. So let's open this up. So it's magnetic on the side, pretty nice box. And then it shows all the stuff that's included inside of it: charging case, the Go Earbuds, and then the cushion, the different tips. It shows you the touch controls, all that right there. So one tap is volume, press and hold is track, Siri and Google is 2-tap, and play pause if you want to change that, and then some EQ settings 3-tap. So let's open this up. So pull this out. Okay, pull these out. So let's see what's back in here. Some books and stuff here if you want to read it. Oops. Whatever. Let's put this to the side. Okay. So let's look at these buds right here. So I guess we open it from the back. Open this up, pull them out. So there's another compartment here. What does this have? Has the tips, some extra tips right here. So I think there's like 4 here. Okay, let's put that to the side and let's get on to the buds. So I have like this army green color here. What is this? Pull. Okay, I pull that out. So I have this army green color here. It says JLAB right there. And then to charge this up, the USB connector is connected to the charging case, like it's together. So you don't have to carry any extra cables around. It's just right there under it. And then the buds right here, pretty small, compact size. Feel pretty nice. Pretty sturdy, not some cheap plastic. Plastics, the magnetism feels pretty well as well. So let's test that out. Try and drop them from the case. Let's shake it. As you can see, nothing's happening, even though pretty hard shakes right here. So pretty nice magnets in here. I'd say the magnets in here are better than the Galaxy Buds, my honest opinion. And so these are around like 30 bucks on Amazon. I'll probably leave a link down below if you want to check these out. So I'll be coming up with another video for these, like another video like going against the Galaxy Buds or whatever, or like 2 weeks later I'll probably review these again and tell you what it feels like, how well it's been holding up. I'll probably use it like when I'm working out a little, so when I sweat I want to see if it holds up. Doesn't say anything about water resistance on the box, but might have some, so worth the test. So that's about it for this video. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.